Here we have a BMW X1, and what we've installed is an integrated CarPlay system with a reverse camera. So this car has a factory screen, but it doesn't have CarPlay or Android Auto, so the customer wanted that. Also at the same time they wanted a reverse camera. The nice thing about the kits that we installed, you can add a reverse camera to it, so you don't have to have a separate integration module just for the reverse camera. So in a way it's a little bit more cost effective doing that way, especially if you want CarPlay. So with the reverse camera, I mean that's the boot handle that comes with the vehicle. Now you can add like a camera to this if you wanted to. There's space to do that, but what we opted for is actually a. Let me unlock the car first. What we opted for is a dedicated boot handle with a camera to it. So it all looks very OEM, as you can see. Right, so if you come round and jump in, so that's the screen that comes as standard. So if we just turn it all on, so by pushing the, well, I'll show you from here. If you go reverse on this here, you've got the reverse camera. But if I actually start the vehicle up, so I could just show you the active guidelines. So going to reverse, you've got the camera, and you've got the active guidelines that works with it. And that's all interfaced through the CarPlay kit that we installed. So all you have to do is push and hold the menu button, and it flicks into CarPlay. So we want to add my phone to it. So all I do is go into my Bluetooth settings on my phone, and there's that kit there. Go pair, allow, and go into connect. And there you have Apple CarPlay. So it's all done wirelessly, as you can see, and usual Apple CarPlay, whatever apps is compatible with it will come up. So if you want Waze, you've got Waze mapping. If you want Google Maps, you go straight onto that. Spotify, phone calls, etc. So it all works through CarPlay. And like any other CarPlay, you could split the screen, like so. And then if you want to go back into your car settings, all you have to do is push and hold the menu button, you flick out the CarPlay, and then you go into your normal BMW menu, and it all looks original and as it was before. The reverse camera will work regardless if you're in CarPlay or not. So if you're in CarPlay, it will still work. If you're out of CarPlay, it will still work. So you don't have to be in CarPlay mode to get your reverse camera in there. I've got an Apple phone, and that's connected up to it wirelessly. If you've got an Android phone, that would also connect up to it wirelessly, so you don't have to plug into any USB to get this to work. So this is a BMW X1 where we installed an integrated CarPlay kit with a reverse camera.